Hello friends, welcome to Damo Education. If not yet subscribed, please subscribe and click the bell icon. So in this module, we are going to discuss our ninth question. Draw a tangent to a given circle with the center O from point R. So from the point R, we have to draw one circle. From point O, we have to draw one circle. So from point R outside of the circle, how many tangents can be drawn to the circle from that point R? The distance of 2 points to the point of contact is the same. So that is the case they are given. Let's going to take with draw one circle with the center. Let's going to draw one circle with the center O as 5 centimeter as the radius. So this is the radius. Let's going to take. So draw one circle with the center 5 centimeter radius, 5 centimeter radius. So what is the center? So this is the center. So this is the center O. What is the radius? Let's going to draw one radius for this. This is the radius 5 centimeter. So from external point, let's going to consider one external point to the circle. This is the center O. From external point R, let's going to take this is the point R. So the distance of 2 points, let's going to consider this is the R point. So from R point we have to draw two tangents to the circle. From that, what you can say, tangents to the circle make over that. So first one, what is the steps of construction? So we have drawn one, and so let's going to meet O and R. Let's going to join O and R. So this is the what you can write. This is the join. For O and R, we have to bisecting each other. So what you can draw, perpendicular bisector. We have to take more than half of this. So from center O, draw perpendicular bisectors. So from R also, let's going to draw arcs. Let's going to draw arcs and join both lines. Join both arcs. Join both arcs. So this is the point of center point. This is the midpoint. Let's going to take midpoint as, so R we taken, midpoint as C. So this is the point C, we took it as midpoint. From this we have to draw with the radius as CR. So let's going to consider this is the CR as a radius. So this is the radius. Let's going to take OC or CR is the radius. So this is radius. So CR and OC. So from this, let's going to draw arcs which will going to meet this circle with the, so these are the, or otherwise you can draw one circles like this, where this circle is meeting the point, that are the 2 points. So this is the, let's going to consider this is A and B. A and B, join AB and RB. So let's going to join R and A. R and A. So if you measure the distance between, so what you can write, the distance of 2 points. So if you take 13 to 21 point, or otherwise from 0, let's going to consider this is 8.5 centimeter, and this is also 8.5 centimeter if you calculate it. So exactly it is 8.5 centimeter and this is 8.5 centimeter. So this is the way to draw the construction. So what is the point? Main point here is the distance of 2 points, distance of 2 points A and B to the to the point of contact, that is R is the same. So this is the distance of 2 points is the same. This is the point. This is the way to find the calculations and drawing the tangents to the circle. These are the two tangents. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.